Pick up this Blizzard Pearl 2009 certified Toyota Highlander, available today at Lakeside Toyota. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 26,401 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer at 504-250-7650 and get behind the wheel today.